Hi, I'm Dave Thoonsen from the AMS-IX NUC team, and in this session I'm going to talk to you about utilizing your AS set to further define your filtering needs. Before we move on to the subject that will include AS sets, let's look into the information that we're going to require to understand the next topics. Pairing policies are registered with a regional internet registry and are used to define your filtering needs, as well as to share organizational information. AMS-IX route servers are instructed by these policies to send your prefixes to other peers and to decide from which peers you wish to receive prefixes from. Import and export filters is what these are, and these 3+1 built-in pairing filters on the customer portal define what these filters should be based on. We're going to look at IRRDB filtering. Filtering which is updated on an hourly basis by our route servers who perform reverse queries against the route database to maintain the latest policy changes. Looking at the benefits of the Internet Routing Registry, it allows you to make informed routing decisions and is a granular approach while maintaining an administrative overview. Please note that many providers also make use of these objects, such as Internet exchange points, but also transit providers. There is also a chance that prefix propagation may be suboptimal if you're not applying the correct filtering. AMS-IX route servers hold many hundreds of thousands of prefixes, and there's a chance that due to incorrect filtering, there's also a chance that you may not receive all the prefixes that you're actually hoping or looking to receive. Looking into the minimum requirements, let's start off with the regional internet registry, like the RIPE database, for example. They, of course, hand you an autonomous system number, and it is registered in the AUTNUM object. Furthermore, there's also a route object or a route 6 object, and that is dependent on whether it's an IPv4 prefix or an IPv6 prefix. These route objects are used to validate the origin AS that advertises the prefixes. Next to that, there's also the AS set, which we recommend, and you can use it to define your import and export policies. Lastly, there's also the AMS-IX connection that you're going to have to look into. Specifically, you're going to have to make sure that you're pairing with the AMS-IX route servers incorporate IRRDB filtering. We have compiled a set of examples that you can use to populate your AS set. If you're lenient in your policy, you can use the any option. Import any and also export to any pairs that are also pairing with the route servers. If you would like to exempt some pairs from importing and exporting prefixes, you can choose the any except option. If you maintain a restrictive policy for your BGP pairing session, you can also choose to individually mention autonomous system numbers. We would like to highlight that these are only a brief set of examples, and you can also look at our website, amsix.net, for a full overview of common examples. We've constructed a use case based on actual tickets that were logged with our NUC team. In this use case, a customer reported that they were not receiving prefixes from Autonomous System 65000 via their pairing session with the route servers. On the other hand, they informed us that they also maintain other autonomous systems, and they actually do receive prefixes. With this information and querying the database, as can be seen on screen, we found that the filters did not accommodate the pairing for this reporting party based on their selective pairing policy. Finally, we recommended the reporting customer to request Autonomous System 65000 to update their filters. If you're using as many communities that are listed here, please consider the use of IRRDB filtering because it is less of an administrative burden. Not only that, the route service also parse every single community, and we would like to request you to look into IRRDB filtering if you use as much communities as you do, as shown on the looking glass. We would like to thank you for joining this session, and if you have any more questions about IRR filtering, then please reach out to knock@amsix.net or have a look at our website where it is fully described as well. Thank you.